Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Sandrama.
Me convince a man make rules for run the world and take a man for idiot. Enough example me can give you why me sit down and I pray that. Them born out lesbian in Jamaica, but make a man can have a threesome with 2 lesbian and all of a sudden him can't find a matching stick to catch the fire. As long as a man can control the pleasure, him no bother with the Sodom and Gomorrah Bible scripture. Is a man's world. Sit down, let me finish tell you. You hear them say a woman can't do what a man do and still be a lady? Sex them a try to use my ear, Stacy. King Solomon had 300 concubines and 700 wives. Them call him a king and say that he was wise. Yet the woman with only 5 husbands with Jesus at the well, them ready to lick her with rock stone and call her prostitute and pitch her down a hell. You see what me I tell you? It's a man's world where you have a girl lose her virginity and she's a disgrace and make a little boy do the same thing. My youth, you done the place. We celebrate the boy and we condemn the girl, and you still can't see what I tell you? This is a selfish man's world where a man can give a woman a bakery, but if she give him a little bun, him slap her away in a cold blood and have a nerve upon the run. Because in a man's world, them can't take a dose of them own meds. As soon as the table turn, the pressure lick them heads. Them trick the woman them, and the poor thing them don't ever realize that the man them switch the power. Them can cheat by you and sit down like a king and watch you fight over them with your sister. Have you in a dance, out for choke your blasted self with cucumber, but you know see none of them are eat no ackee in a dance and them are burn out equal rights with Aishana. You remember how they do mackerel? For say take people man, all the woman them class her and drag her down and treat her like old pan. And look how long the man them must say the same thing in a song. Dexter Dap say no underwear and no take off on the panty like a jazz festival. And when Yanni Curvy Diva they take off fair on they nearly kill the girl. Set a double standard crosses. Make man having like jackasses. On the class, the girl them in the go-go club and the girl them on the black road. But me see a man who sell sex in a one video a day what only make go viral. So obviously I'm proud. Man can half naked on social media. Him look goody. But make a woman do the same. Lord, she don't have no pride and one bag of body shame. A long time we not try to make woman feel inferior. Can't blame we for the sins of the world today. But Eve get Adam apple for Niam. Adam, you's a big man. Why you never hear what God say? Pandora box with the curses was a woman. Them say woman are the gateway to hell. Woman a heavy load. Do your research if you think I lie me I tell. But me not believe all them stupid theories here. Because if woman is all these things, man, one still want woman for.
Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Sandrama.